everyone. You've just caught me reading my book. I don't get to read very often, but I thought today I'd lock myself away for 20 minutes, come and read my book, because I do really enjoy reading. It's really important to do things that we enjoy. Maybe that could be the focus for our assembly today. Let's do an assembly on this one. Enjoy. I'm really enjoying being snuggled under this blanket at the moment. I've got really cold feet. But I am thinking, why is it important that we do things that we enjoy? What do you think? Well, for me, one of the most important reasons is because it's good for our mental health and our well-being, how we feel inside and how we feel in our mind. Imagine if we only got to do the boring stuff, the hard work, the jobs, the chores, the things that we didn't really like doing. Life wouldn't be much fun, would it? Throw in a little bit of enjoyment and all of a sudden we begin to feel a bit better. Have you ever noticed when you're having lots of fun and enjoying yourself, time goes really, really quickly? Well, there's a saying that time flies when you're having fun, and it's so true, isn't it? When you're doing something you don't want to do, it takes ages, and when you're doing something you love, it goes really quickly. And that's because you're so busy enjoying yourself, time has flown. And that makes you feel really great inside. Inside here for me, and inside here. Doing things that we enjoy clears our minds and gives us a break. So I wonder what it is you enjoy doing. I'm going to tell you some of mine, and maybe you can tell me some of yours. So I'm going to share with you some of the things that I enjoy. You might know some of these already. Well, I really love teaching. I wanted to be a teacher for a very long time. I love working in a school, I love working at Chalkwell, and I love working with all of you guys. But I also really like watching TV. I like programmes, I like soap operas, I like films, and I probably watch a little bit too much television if I'm honest. Often I fall asleep in front of the TV. I do really enjoy a good sleep, and I love a nap under a blanket, as you probably guessed at the beginning of this assembly. One of my hobbies is actually knitting. I started knitting to keep me awake in front of the television. Everything's all linked here, isn't it? But I watch YouTube videos to learn how to do new stitches and make new things. Another hobby of mine is called macrame. That's where you tie knots in string to make different things like wall hangings and plant hangings that you can see here in the picture. I do really like it. And as I said before, I do enjoy reading. So because we really enjoy listening to stories, I'm going to read this book to you. It's called Double Dave, and it's by Sue Hendra, illustrated by Lee Wildish. The reason I've chosen this book to read to you today is because if I tried to do this with you, all in the dining hall, it was going to go badly wrong. You'll know what I mean as we get through. So, off we go. Double Dave. Dave was big and quite fantastic, and so were his dinners. They were the envy of everyone in the garden. That means they were all quite jealous of him. Dave woke up hungry. He popped through his cat flap, but where was his dinner? You just ate it, Dave, said Bug. I did, thought Dave. I don't remember doing that. I don't remember doing that either. And I'm sure I didn't do that. And I definitely didn't do that. I wonder if you know what that is. But if Dave didn't, then who did? Everybody, let's all gasp together. Gasp. Someone was sleeping in Dave's bed. It was orange, just like Dave. It was big, just like Dave. But it couldn't be Dave. Does look very much like Dave to me. I'm Dave, thought Dave. The new Dave liked Dave's dinners. The new Dave liked Dave's bed. The new Dave liked Dave's friends. Looks like Dave's friends liked him back too. What could Dave do? Luckily, Bug had a plan. You can't both be the real Dave, said Bug. There's only one way to find out for sure. So Bug made 2 special dinners. May the best Dave win. Ready, steady, go! They chomped. They guzzled. They slurped until we have a winner. Look who's won, this one. Dave couldn't believe it. I thought I was the real Dave, thought Dave. But as David watched, the winner began to shake. His tummy was rumbling. Suddenly, one of his ears flew off. Then his head swizzled round. Something big was about to happen. Look at how they've written big in big letters, so we say it loudly. Something big was about to happen. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What do you think it's going to be? Blast off! I'll let you add your own noises to that part. This is why we're not doing it in assembly in the hall. Squirrels, said Bug. Oh, look, it exploded, and here are all the squirrels. I might have known. They are always up to mischief. Well, I suppose I am the real Dave after all, thought Dave. Phew! And he knew just how to celebrate. How do you think he's going to celebrate? I think I know. With a double dinner and a double nap. So boys and girls, maybe you could let me know what you enjoy doing. What hobbies have you got, or what do you like to do that makes you feel really great inside? Maybe you could let me know. Until next time, please keep reaching for the stars.